In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on the Q50. This is a 2014. As you can see, there is a air filter here, and then there's an air filter compartment on that side. Basically, in order to remove the air filter, you would have to remove this clip vertically, this one horizontally, and then on the bottom of this thing, there are two tabs. It's just like that. You pull it basically upwards. That will release the tab spacer down below, and then you can see a tab right there, slot where the tab goes. You end up lifting this upwards, and then the air filter comes out. These are basically Wix air filter. Not sure how long this one lasted. I bought the car with 27,000 miles. Supposedly it had new air filter on there, but I'm not too sure if I believe that or not. But anyways, I ended up getting a Wix product as well. Basically it is the 49225. Picked it up on Amazon for like $6 each. Basically, as you can see how much dirt there comes out. You can see the inside of the box. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly vacuum that all up, wipe it down, and then stick the new air filter with the cartridge inwards to the inlet, so that you have the flat portion that goes towards the engine block. That's basically it in terms of changing the air filter. So there's enough movement in the elbow here for you to be able to pick it up and move it out of the way. When you install it, you install in the same reverse order. You stick the air filter in. Do make sure that this has edges on it, that you don't end up cutting the back side of the filter. Make sure when you're putting it back, you keep it clear of the material, and then wedge these two into the slot that are provided down below, and then you pull it towards yourself with the air filter being recessed in this area, and then pop the two clips on. That's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the other side out. I already got it out. I'll just have to pull that up, get the inside of those things cleaned, and that's basically it. Let me know if you have any questions. If you like the video, go ahead and hit like and subscribe if you want. Thank you.